Hey YouTuber, this is Lester again. I have another drone for you. The HUBSAN X4 H107C Plus. Well, it handles great. This is so good. Very nice. Okay, that's it. Hook me up on Facebook and let me know what you think about this. And give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe. And also leave your comments down in the section down there. I'll leave a link to purchase this if you want to. All right, bye.